Marksman tip for precise application. Ordinary nozzle for wide area and large flow spray. It penetrates small openings, threads, and crevices. Good for any moving parts susceptible to rust, like nuts, chains, screws, and more. Lubricate the guide rails to make windows slide easier. Quickly removes adhesives, corrosion, and paint. Protects against rust and corrosion on tools. Decontamination and brightening of glossy surfaces. Next, we conduct a 5% salt fog test to compare the anti-rust performance of Workpro and other brands of anti-rust lubricant. In the 5% salt fog test, Workpro WP80 anti-rust lubricant provided 72 hours worth of protection and WP60 provided 24 hours. Workpro multi-purpose anti-rust lubricant for long-lasting rust and corrosion protection.